Now, speaking of social media, it's not everything you must put out there. But let's talk about that in the Intense 5. So, why you think it's okay to release the young lady's personal things? Like, if I could hit the screen like how Dan did hit him phone, I would.
So, if you believe that you don't release the tape, and a while ago, you release, I'll admit it. We are ball for. We are ball for.
Like, stop crying like you're the victim and just walk away. You have like there is no form of justification.
After a 2-year break, the Mobile Awards is back and Buju Banton copped the award in the reggae category. He got the nod over top acts Coffee, Popcorn, Lila Ike and Protege.
A 90-year-old lady got the first COVID vaccine shot in the UK. Fingers crossed. So far, 2 people have reported having allergic reactions, but nothing major. And speaking of vaccines, the JA government made a down payment on the vaccine and they estimate that 16% of the population will receive it by the end of next year.
You gonna take it when you come?
Baby.
Not gonna lie, still me.
Baby.
First in line.
You're first in line.
I would be the guinea pig.
You know, I feel like we're gonna get to a point where possibly, maybe, we're gonna have to take it to travel. And you know, I'm all about traveling.
Yeah,
so.
but it's not the first vaccine that's a mandatory travel vaccine either. I don't know why people are kind of
that's
going
one.
ballistic
And then
over
2,
it.
like everybody's like, oh, so 2 people have some allergic reactions.
Yeah, but
here.
people do
Bro,
generally
or
have...
sometimes if you get flu vaccine, you get confused symptoms.
Exactly.
Okay.
Red feet still. Mungo Honorable has released his sophomore album, Shine Your Light, and it's definitely a side we haven't seen. People are speculating what might have caused the shift in the type of music, but Mungo says it's just growth.
Okay.
Grow ya, my brother.
And finally holding the spot this week, Desmond Mackenzie ain't too happy. In Parliament on Tuesday, the minister highlighted events that are actually being heavily promoted on social media. One even stated that they are fully endorsed by KSAC, which isn't true. We know you love to party, but COVID not ramp, right? And apparently, neither are the security forces. So guys, know what I do, be careful. Yeah, know what I do, COVID still a keep.
Trust.
Yeah. But that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. What a week. Remember, if you have anything you want us to add to the list, hit us up on IG at TVJ Intense.